Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the Maxi Trac 8-foot awning that you can pick up from Napa Auto Parts for $100. Quick review as far as the quality, the build, if it's worth it. Stay tuned. Okay, we are back with the Maxi Trac 8-foot awning that you can pick up from Napa Auto Parts for $100. The reason we're doing this video, I keep getting asked a lot of questions about how it mounts, how it works, is it comparable to the ARB and some of the other ones, and if it's worth $100. My personal opinion, we're going to talk a few minutes about that. We took it down to Portsmouth Island when we went there, as you can see from some of the photos. We had it out, it worked great. During some of the winds at night, it was actually holding up without anything holding down the sides. But basically we just unfolded the feet, set it up, left it for 2 days, and it worked great. So let's take a look at some of this stuff. So first we're going to take a look at the mounting points on the back side here. So if you look up here, you'll see basically it's just an L bracket extended. We clamped it to the roof rack on the side here to the Bronco, and then you got the aluminum rail here that the awning actually mounts to on the inside. So cover here is actually, I don't know if it's vinyl or leather, but pretty good quality, and opens up pretty easy too. Now, even though this was just $100, we already had a snafu with it when we first purchased it. Everything was great. We took it out, and then when we went down to the island, as you can see, this happened. So some of the stitching on here kind of broke. This is what it should look like. We are going to repair that, but basically this is what's happening to it. It's kind of putting a draw on it and causing it to lean down like that. So kind of is what it is. It's $100. Now, before I go any further, I am gonna have my wife help me out real quick, because it is a two-person job to set this up. I've seen some videos where some people have done it by themselves, but it's very difficult. So let's go ahead and get this all set up, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so here it is all set up. Basically, you got the metal rods that come out here. These fold in here to these channels here. We're gonna leave it out. We're actually gonna probably wash this down real quick because we got some salt and stuff on there. Still some sand from our last trip. Didn't realize it was still in there, but this is basically it all set up. These extend out, come up here, and then these extend down. Got little hoops here that you can put some weights down if you want to. And then these bars here fold up into this channel here. Material, I think, is pretty good. Everybody I've looked at it with these and talked to says pretty comparable to the ARB, just for a fraction of the price. So yeah, not a bad little awning. You know, it's a little 8-footer. And we definitely used her when we went on this last trip, and that's her opened all up, 8-foot by 8-foot. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. This was just a quick walk around, quick review. It's got aluminum bars, it's got some steel and stuff on it. As you can see up here, it's got some steel bars and stuff that have some corrosion forming on it from the salt. We are going to hose it down before we put all this back together and let it dry out. And then we're going to kind of do some drone video around it to kind of show you guys the top and all that kind of stuff. So hope you guys like this. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. That's what's helping us bring some of this content to you guys. Comment down below. We'll see you guys on the next adventure. Peace.